In this video, I will show you how you can create a landing page in ConvertKit. So first of all, make sure to log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So once you're logged in, make sure to hover over the Grow section at the top. And from here, just click on Landing Pages and Forms. And from here, just simply click on Create a Landing Page. You can also watch a demo video if you're not sure how to do it. Now, as you can see, ConvertKit offers all kinds of templates to choose from. So feel free to just browse through these and choose the one that you actually like. You can also preview the templates first, just to make sure if you like it or not. I'm interested in the Broadway one, so I'm just gonna click on Preview. And it's actually up to my liking, so I'm just gonna click on Choose at the top right corner. Now, here on the right side, you can customize the text of the body and the text of the headings. You can change the background color, you can change the image, you can change the transparency as well. You can also change the color of the button. And you can also insert a custom CSS. So once you're done customizing, just make sure to click on Save first. And once you save, just click on Publish. And you will get your URL that you can just copy from here. And this is how you create a landing page in ConvertKit.